to be $14, would be $11.90. So that's where that would be. And the dough bowls would be... my brain has to do maths yet this morning. The dough bowls would be $34 instead of $40, with 15% off. And the candles would be... Oh, sorry. I did it wrong. My brain is... I am not braining today yet. So good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. We had a busy day yesterday. I actually did an entire live for almost 9 hours.